How to download the game Zoonomaly on your PC. For that, you will need your Steam account, so you need to have this application on your PC. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so as I was saying, you need a Steam account for you to download the game. If you don't have Steam already on your laptop or your PC, you can just open your browser and then search for Steam download. Once you search for this, you will get this link right here. And from here, you can install Steam on your Windows, or depending on your device, you can download it on Mac as well. So after you've downloaded the file, you can install the application. And once you log into your account, it should look something like this. And from here, what you want to do is on the search bar, search for the game Zoonomaly, and you will see the very first option, the game will pop up. And if you want to know more about the game, you can scroll down, and here you can read about the game. But in order to purchase it, as you can see here, it costs $3.49, so you can just add to cart right here. You can directly view your cart from here, or if you go up, you can see your cart besides your wish list as well. So once you go to your cart, what you want to do is make sure that this purchase is for your account and it's not set as a gift. So once you make sure that you set this for your account, you can just continue to the payment. And here Steam has provided us with various payment methods. If you want PayPal, you can just continue with it. But if you want to use a different method, for example, your Visa card, then you'll have to enter your card details, the expiration date, your security code, and the billing information as well. So once you do that, just click on continue, and you should be able to purchase the game. And once you have purchased the game, you can just go to your library and install the game from here. Then you will easily be able to play the game. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.